All right, a close of another good day. Good day as far as trading. I know there was a lot of sell-off today, but I'm actually kind of encouraged. So we have the Fibonacci right here, and we traded down, tagged that 38%, and came back and kind of made this doji. Looks like a reversal doji to me. So we'll look for a break of that high tomorrow, and hopefully we don't chew up the tail and head the other direction. But I'm feeling good about it. I mean, the daily momentum is moving up, and it's bullish. So I'm comfortable with that. Made some really nice trades at the open, and put on a few good spreads as it tagged down, and with the anticipation of it turning around. So all in all, a really good day. Looking at the 60-minute, that's feeling kind of bearish to me. So hopefully we just have a strong open tomorrow to close that gap. We're just gonna have to wait and see. I still like the daily. It looks relatively positive. Got a few other securities that folks want me to take a look at. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin, if that's still trading. Gotta find my list. Yeah, that's just messy. Daily momentum is bullish. Looks like it's just putting in the bottom here, consolidating a little bit. I mean, ultimately you want to see it break this pivot high right over here, which is 41.29. So breaking that 41.29, that might be a good entry. Oh, excuse that. I'm on a boat, and that's the radio in the background. In the middle of a storm, so I've got to keep monitoring that. Bitcoin, we like to look at CLOV. Yeah, CLOV's just negative, man. I think CLOV is going to end up around 718. All right. So take a quick look at bonds, and I mean they pushed up, but they put in that shooting star. I'm surprised that the market didn't rally on this move up on bonds, but we'll watch that shooting star. Looks like it'll trade off. If it trades off, interest rates go up. It should bring the market down. Everybody's interested in TLRY. Looks like a bearish momentum right now, so I wouldn't take an entry on this thing. I'd want to wait and see for this to turn around. And purple. This is just in consolidation. That momentum looks like it's flattening out. Yeah, even the 60 is negative, so I don't see any reason to go long in that. Let's look at the QQQs for one of my free folk out there who has an interest in them. I think. I mean, this is pretty much going to look just like the S&P right now. All the exchanges are going to look the same. So on the 60, the momentum is just kind of flattening out. I'm just kind of neutral on the momentum, but I like that nice strong close. I'm going to close this gap right here. The momentum is obviously bullish. Just have to see what happens tomorrow, really. I mean, if we break higher or break lower, you just play those breaks, and then we'll see if we test this high. Sorry about that in the background. If it tests this high, then it may trade off. I'm in the middle of a storm, and so SPY would be consistent with the market, which I looked at. The Russell's consistent. TLT would be consistent with the bond. So I'd say we fulfilled our obligation. Oh wait, the Big Daddy, the Casino Royale. This had a pretty strong bar. That's actually a bullish engulfing. So if you wanted to take an entry on this, you could take an entry on the break of today's high. If it does that. I mean, the momentum is still bearish, so I wouldn't expect anything phenomenal. It's probably just working to fill the little gap it made here, and I would expect it to turn around and head back down. I think that that lower gap is the ultimate goal right now. But this is the first time I could say that, well, you know what? I'm going to have to say that the 60-minute is neutral right now. I'm just not going to give it a bearish yet. I'd rather see a lower, a higher low, and then a break to the upside to give it a bearish. So not quite yet, ladies and gentlemen. No turnaround in my view. I'm looking for that 34, 35 range, to tell you the truth. And I'm pretty confident we're going to get it. But that being said, it's a wrap.